Our next assignment is creating a skeleton hand. This hand is created with colored pencils and black light paint. I'll be adding a damask background to this, but I wanted to show you the first step. So for this assignment, I'll be asking you to look up a damask pattern and send it to me, or you can use one of the ones that I'll provide. Okay, so this is what's going to go in the background here, and I'll show you that later. So this is my finished hand without the background. Your first step is you're going to get a piece of tan paper or cream colored paper, and you're going to draw out a grid in order to create an accurate grid to transfer your image on. So to create a grid, if you've forgotten, you're going to lay your ruler down. Be sure that you are lining up the 0 line or the edge of the ruler properly with this edge of the paper. So if you notice on this ruler, my line starts here, not at the edge of the ruler. So I want to make sure that I am aligning the edge with this line right here. Okay, so when I lay that down, I'm going to mark off every 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to put a little tick mark here. Make sure that you don't move your paper. I'm starting on the left-hand side and working my way over to the right every 1/2 inch. I'm going to do the same thing at the top as I do at the bottom, and then I'm going to turn my paper and I'm going to do the same thing on these two sides. Okay, so I've marked off the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and shift, again lining up this line, not the edge of the ruler. You might have a ruler that has the 0 mark right at the edge of the ruler, but check, because not all of them do. Okay, once I have these marked off, I'm going to go ahead and connect my lines top to bottom, making sure that they are straight and even. This is very important because if your lines are not straight and even, your design or your transfer will not work. So I'm going to line my ruler up, checking the top and the bottom here, and making sure that they're straight before I draw that pencil line. And again, draw lightly so you can erase this later. I'm going to do that the whole way across, and then I'm going to turn it this way in the horizontal format, and I'm going to do the exact same thing, marking off that 1/2 inch at the top and the bottom, and then connecting those lines. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Okay. Once you have that drawn, you're going to move on to the second step, which is how to number and how to create the grid on your actual image that you've selected.